Hello friends, welcome to my channel, a channel for learning simple coding. If you find these videos to be helpful, please like and consider subscribing for more content. If you already subscribed, thanks for it. In this video, we are going to face one more problem in Go language and how we can solve this problem. The problem is index out of range problem. If I run this program, you see a simple program, we have a slices, we have a 3 value, and in this slices I am just calculating a length of the slices and starting from 0 and is less than equal to length, and I am just trying to display. So if I do this, I will have the error index out of range with length 3. So automatically if we see that there is a length of 3 but the index start from 0, we have a 0, 1 and 2. So that means the maximum should be 2, but here if we calculate the length would be 3. But the index is starting from 0. So sometimes we confuse and we put here equal to. So that is the problem, and because of this it generating this index out of range because the I value is goes to 3 and there is 3 value but starting from 0, so 0, 1, 2, so index is still 2 but here is going to third. That's why it's generating a such error. So what we have to do, we have a two solution. First solution is always use the length less than not equal to. So if I run this program now, so I will have the desired output which we have. Second one, we can use the range for it. We say that like this, and here we can print this n like this, and I run it, and you see the same output we are achieving by range. So we can use range just to make a safe coding. Otherwise we have to keep in mind that the index is start from 0. So always we have a length less than 1. So if we put here equal to here, then we always try to put here less minus 1, or otherwise we have to remove the equal and always use the less than symbol for length. Like this we can do, and we can solve this index out of range problem. So I think you have learned one more common mistake, how to solve this mistake in Go language. So if you really like this video, please share this video, like this video, and consider my channel to be subscribed, and thank you for watching this video.